We are going to burn Nigeria down. Simon Ekpa, the PM of Biafra Republic government in exile. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If I feel land, we go know wetin dey go on for inside Finland. As we dey draw the go, now we can see they say Simon Ekpa have officially launched a document called Helsinki Declaration, and this document may be the part of the roadmap of Biafra freedom is talking about. No be small thing, no. They say the PMO will be Simon Ekpa, Biafra Republic government in exile, ongoing convention. Today we are bringing you what is happening inside that place, so we are going to be playing some videos for you, and then we'll come back and talk more and give more details of what is going on. So let us watch the first video and before we proceed.
Thank you. Hello. The collapse of Nigeria starts today. After this event, Nigeria will never remain the same. The terrorist country called Nigeria will continue to go down until the declaration of Biafra. I want every one of you to understand that you have done a very great job. Very, very great job. To those who didn't make it to this particular event, our spirit are with them. And believe me, more historic and memorable events are still on the way. When we started, they laughed at us. They mocked us. They propagated lies, propaganda, and all of that against us. They said Biafra cannot organize themselves. Today, we are proving them wrong. The chain and the padlock they used to lock Biafra is broken today. Whatever anybody say here is an individual opinion. What binds us is going to be the charter of the Confederating State of Biafra. Whatever you see in that charter is what stands. That is what binds us. Irrespective of our differences, irrespective of whatever, wherever we come from, the charter becomes the law of Biafra until the Biafra Declaration. We have been killed, molested, butchered. Our communities have been razed down, burned down by the Nigeria state-sponsored terrorists. The Boko Haram have infiltrated Nigeria military, Nigeria police, the DSS, and everybody knows that. And the reason they do that is to invade and take over our land and convert us into Islam. The Islamic movement. We are not against Islam as a religion, but we are against terrorists who cannot just let us be. Before 2021, we had no arms to defend ourselves. They came, they killed. Since after the war, we have paid the biggest price in Nigeria. And let me tell you, we have just started. We will burn Nigeria down. That is what it requires to protect our people, protect our land. We will burn them down. And after that, therefore we come. I want you to understand that if you want peace, you prepare for war. Biafra Republic government in exile. And after you have voted for the open gate for the Biafra freedom, which is 100% vote, this charter has become a law, and therefore shall be called the Biafra Helsinki Declãratiőn 2023.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video and see wetin dey go on for inside Finland for the convention of Biafra Republic government in exile hosting in Finland today. No be small thing, as you don't see am, na so we don't see am. You see many things they go on for inside that place. If you watch that shine wey dey for ground, now when they launch this book, say make some people wey dey there, they voted for that particular book. I said that they call them Helsinki Declaration in Finland. No be small thing, for inside this document they say so many things has been revealed inside that document concerning the roadmap about to open the gate, according to Simon Ekpa, to open the gate so that Biafra will quickly come. And they say now that document will be a law where they for inside the Biafra for now until Biafra finally restored, So you go settle down, watch the video, and we will still they bring you more updates of waiting they go on for inside Finland. No be smart, and as you can see, those men in suit too, they say now the security where they guide the Simon Ekpa, where they work for inside this convention and where they happen. So many videos there to show, but that this one if you bring come up for now, may you see as we see they look closer, they bring more updates of waiting they happen for that side. So I'm going to ask, what do you think will be the outcome of this convention? May you still leave your own opinion for inside comment section so that we will talk about that. As the thing they go on now, our own to the watch, we will still they contribute, they lay our comment, and they share the video as well. Maybe other people whenever watch waiting they go on, may they still watch waiting they go on for inside Finland, and tell me the reaction of the people or that Biafras where they around you concerning this where they go on. I want to know what they go on for your own side. May you still write here and tell us what you think for what they go on for that side. So what be your heart desire or your wish, still write them for the comment section. Let's talk about it over there. Okay, my people, we will quickly see you for the next update as they bring in the Wenge news they come. May you try to share this video so that other people will still get them. Don't forget to leave your opinion for inside comment section. If you say you never subscribe to this channel, may you quickly go subscribe, and also follow our Facebook page, the same name, our Twitter, TikTok, everywhere. They bring you back to back updates. Okay, we will see you for the next update.